Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be learning about how to format text in our document. To format text, first of all, we have to select the text. In this example, I will select the entire paragraph because I want to format the entire paragraph. You can select the entire paragraph or some segment of that paragraph on which you want to apply formatting. After selecting, go to this font group in the Home tab, and first of all we will change the font. To change the font, go here and click on this button. It will give you the list of fonts installed in your computer. From this list, we can select any of the font and our font of the paragraph will be changed. For example, I will select Arial Black. Arial Black is the name of the font, and as you can see, the text of our paragraph has been formatted. Now I will change the font once again. To do this, I will select the paragraph, go to Fonts and select Calibri, which will make the changes in my paragraph. Now, after doing that, we want to change the size. To do so, go to the font size and we can select any font size we want. For example, we want the font size of our paragraph to be 18. So select 18 from here. And here it is. Now suppose we want to change the color of our paragraph text. We will select it and go to the font color. After clicking on that, a palette will open in which all the possible colors is given, and we will select this one. So now our paragraph is looking more attractive and meaningful than the previous one. Now if we want to highlight any of the sentence or word or a segment of our paragraph, we can do that by text highlight color. For an example, I want to highlight this sentence, so we will select it and go to text highlight color, and we can select color by which we want to highlight this text. For example, yellow. And after we click it, the text will be highlighted by the color we have chosen.